Hello all, I'm going through this. I wanted to give you an overview of the instructions here. So, homologous, analogous, and vestigial structures. We talked about these in the notes. So there's some paragraphs here that are going to be helpful. Now here, carefully examine the drawings of the four-limb skeletons in figure 1. It says the next page, I believe. So, this is important too. Homo meaning same, logos meaning information, homologous, same information. So, go through here, follow the instructions. All right, it tells you exactly what to do. Things like the function here. Okay, what does a whale use its flipper for? What does a cat use its arm for, its front leg for? Okay, these aren't supposed to be super complex questions. Right there, you're just doing them, filling them out to answer and compare. Please don't just Google these questions. And also, please make sure you are handwriting your answers, all right? I want to make sure this is your work, and at least handwriting it helps me know that for sure. So let me know if you have questions, but there you go. Is the last page. All right, then it goes to analogous structures. Analogous is they're similar, so these are both wings. However, butterflies don't have bones. They don't have feathers. Birds have feathers. They have bones, okay? So they do the same thing, but they're totally different structures. The only thing that's the same is their wings, but they're not made up of the same things. We're doing your own work. Last page. They're on. All right, then vestigial structures. Vestigial are structures that animals have, but they're not necessarily used for the same thing or used for anything. Our tonsils. They used to be much more important in the immune system. However, now the way we are, the way healthcare is and stuff, we don't need our tonsils in the same way. So here it talks about the cave fish and the minnow. Talks about whether or not they would need eyes. Common ancestry, or it could just be a common relative, remember? Please remember that. So, as the next 4, this is, what was it probably used for? Okay, what could the coccyx or the tailbone have been used for? The little toe. Okay, and then, so probable function, what did it probably do? Vestigial, why don't we necessarily need it anymore? All right, then there's some questions here. You can go ahead and answer those. And also, please, those are right here. They were a separate page because if we had done this in school, we would have cut them out separately. So remember, the structures are on the back page.